lang tayo sa isang laro na gagawin ko na naman, which is just me with no cousin. I'm still finding a game that is best to play that no one even played yet. Yeah. Murder mystery. I'm gonna play it. But we are playing another game with no one else to be with me. Labat po kasi siya. Labat na ba ang pag-ibig mo yan nang masang babalik ka to that mahangin ko ba? Mahangin. Boring. Eh ako, paano ako? Bakit ako sa'yo? Tingnan natin yung weapons natin. Ay, sige lang. Ay, sige lang. Sige lang. Ano ba yun? Sige. Ban ako dito sapagkat I don't even know why they did ban me. Hindi na ko lag. Sige, dyan ako Diyan tayo. Joke. Ano ba yun? Wait. Oh, they are in the game. Ay, I'm lagging so badly again. Why am I not? Yan, good job. Kaya pala hindi ako makagala, naka-spectator mode ako. Skibidi dop, easy, skibidi up, uchi. Bata. Liit mo. Si bata. Ay, babae. She is a girl. She was a fairy. Ding. Lipad. Ang presa siya, I'm sheriff. Ay. Takot. I don't wanna die. Ito tayo. Oh my god. Uy, bula. Which is a great one to be found by me. I'm looking for my money. Oh my. Teka muna. Shush! Everyone shush! Walang noise. Dapat may kantang It's raining tacos. Who is killing from out of the sky? Oh, someone just died. Sige lang. Wala na akong buhok. Yeah. Sorry for the cut. I don't know what happened. Joke, alam ko pala. Inayos ko yung sinain ko. Out! Dito tayo. Sa anumang kalan. Chuchurch ako. No other human. Bicon. Parkour tayo eh. Oh my. Wala pa nga ako naririnig na life. There. I just hit it. May sunog. Kasalang lang naman. Sup? Gonna let you kill me right now. No. Where's the knife? Ish. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god. So... I just spam it. I just don't wanna die. I just don't know what to do. Where's the gun? I think yung babae kanina yung word. Diyan po kayo masaya. He was the sheriff. Nabol ko yan eh. Paapi ako. I don't know.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano sa baso na yun?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako naglagay nun. Si ate ata. Ate ang naglagay.
Si Aya.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh no, oh no. Oh god. Take that off. Ah. Annoying.
Walang si Aya hapon na. Ganun na, wala pa.
Hindi ko makontakt yun. Wala sa akin, hindi ko siya ka-chat.
Dito, ano mo? Chat mo. Okay, uwi na sabi ni Lula.
Ayun na. Hindi nga siya online eh.
Wala eh.
Hindi nga.
Wala nang kanina. Ayan, uwi mo na yung kanin.
Ayan. The rice is getting thick. Oo nga pala, hindi ko nasabi sa inyo. Kailangan ko maglaro agad ng tennis. Joke. Owen natin. Oh, hindi nga siya andang. Seconds. Another side. Saan ko ba tayo? Diba? How do you... I can see his inner core. No, that is his leg or her leg. That's not fair. He chased me after the room. He just killed me like that. Hinaan ko na lang ang apoy at hindi ko na kailangan panayan kasi you know what I mean. Okay na lang, hindi ba susunog rin? This is... Ay, hindi siya yan. Hey, yo, bawal yan. No, I don't know. Bro, what are you doing? Yo. That is kinda not deserve. Karma's real. That is not good for children, you know. Children, that is not good for you. Sa ilong. Hindi eh. Reyna is... Ayun! May message. Binura o kasi naka. Saan yung dalawa na yun? Can you just start ako? What is murder mystery? Murder mystery is orange. No, it is green. No, it is blue. No, it is purple. No, it is red. Red na yun. Ano mo na yun? Naugtan ako sa inaro. Ang dalakat ka talikod. Oh my god. Paano ba yan? Oh, I can't walk. Oh. Ano ba yan? Fling. Oh my. It's raining taco. Wow, it's not walking or something. She is killing right now. We have to hide. It was me out. Asan yung baril? I don't know what the gun is. Bro. Why are you a beacon? Why are you a beacon? Why are you a beacon? Yuck! Kinikisan. Why are you doing it? Why are you kissing that guy? It's a bacon. La! It's raining taco from others. Ito naman kasing lalaki na nakaitim. Ano naman doon? Charot. You look like a devil. Hey, bra. Sayo natin. Parkourer ako, o, diba? I'm good at parkouring, eh. O, diba? Babalik ako dito sa Kawainari. Ay! Wait lang. Ay. Diba? Ay, hindi. Current round dolls. Paano na ako sa kahoy yan? There is a lot of question in my mind. Let's go upstairs. La, okay na yung sinaing. Hininaan ko na so it won't burn.
Huwag kang umalis dyan dahil
Ano?
eh baka masunog din eh.
Hindi na nga eh.
Ba't si Haya hindi pa yung bitin? Kailangan pa yan.
Mahina na yan.
Nandiyan na si Sian. Nandiyan na si Sian sa kubaw.
Si Sian?
Hindi na.
Basta hindi ko na nakuha yung baril. Ayan na, mahina yung apoy.
Huwag kang umalis. Diyan ka lang.
Uho. Diyan lang. Basta yan. What the? Ay. Pag ako naging murderer, kaya pa pa. Yeah. Isa po pa rin akong innocent. Kasi pwede lumangoy eh. Ito. Bro, stop chasing me right now. He's currently chasing me just to kill me. I'm not gonna let you kill me right now. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sa bahay na kasi nagtuko.
He chased me across the room. Hala, naging zombie. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so... Sige lang, diyan ka masay. Wala kasing sound eh.
Sa Cubao. Sabi niya, okay na okay.
Feeling empty. Feeling...
Salamat.
Last round. Pag ito, hindi pa rin magandang pinalabasan. Hindi dapat na ako promise. Sige lang. Bro, are you stupid? Oh my. Oh, diba? Kaya. Ano yun? Pero I cannot reach the ceiling. I don't wanna see. Ano ay? There's no way. Mukha Japanese. That one was creepy. Creepy.
Ay, di rin ibig sabihin, nandun na, kita mo na, lipad na,
Yeah.
clear.
Dude, I zone of it. Zone of it. I'm sure zone of it. Zone. I said zone. I don't know what to do.
Ang tao,
I'm bagging right now. I'm gonna use this so I can park it like that. What are you doing? Diba? Kaya ko na mag-parkour. I'm gonna hide. Oh my god. Hide.
Yaya, wala pa.
Bro. Yun. Apa yang itu? I'm pretty sure I just went. Bro, he's spinning too. Sayaw. Ang daya nyo kasi, ba't kayo yung pinipili? Alam mo yan, zone. Hindi pa rin yung character namin din eh. Oh my god. Sumunod ka sa akin dito. Ayaw, bala ka dyan. Yeah. Ano to? Dude, alam ko naman dyan ka. Paano ka nakapasok kanina? Di ba nakapasok kanina? Kap, alam. Inaset na yan. Sige lang, dyan po kayo masaya. Roblox, re-report kita, promise. Di kita bibigyan ng 5 star. Di kita bibigyan 5 star. Bola ka dyan. Cherries. Jump. Naong ako. Oh my god, he's back. He is... You can shoot like that. Bang.
pinaka sa nalalagi.
Dude, stop. First time. Ikot. Silong. Alam ko ng aking gagawin. Igaganon ko sa wall tsaka ko ibabaril. Which is available to everyone. Ay, may wall makapal kasi yung mukha. Kapal kasi yung mukha ng lalaki niya. Hindi niyo alam lahat ng secret. Hindi niyo naman alam to. Wala kayong alam. Open it. Please open the door. Open the door, please. Open the door. Oh my god. My time to shine. I'll freaking kill you all. Hindi ako marunong, promise. I promise you. If I didn't threat you, Roblox, hindi mo pa. Ay, ano ah.
Nagpunta na naman kay Haya. Nagpunta na naman siguro si Haya dun sa boyfriend ng si ano na yun. Ano yun? Ha? Dito ka sa ano dun sa ano?
Ay, dadaan syempre. I am scared right now. What? Oh. I killed someone else. Oh my god! Bro, hindi ko alam to. Oh my god, I'm not a camper. I'm gonna fucking kill you all. I don't know what to do. Hindi ko alam. Sige lang. This is...
Patayin na yan po. Kanina pa yan siguro. Ano na.
Go up again. Let's go up. Shh. Napatay ko.
Wala pa yung kaya na yun. Talaga ito. Kung may bike lang nga niya, sunod yan mo sa meeting. Kung sagit talaga yan.
Gym?
Oo.
May naman gym dito. Yun, sa Bungo. Tsaka dun sa Mahipon.
Kaya nga. Dun
Sa gasolinahan. Yun yung gym.
Oo, doon nga. Eh baka hindi na. Bibidyo ka nung ganitong oras, bibidyo pa rin.
Naman ko.
Talagang,
Marami na talaga kasi magsi-second. We're going to be in a second quarter.
anak?
Mapupunta na kami sa second quarter sa Lunes. Next Lunes. I'm a sheriff. I'm a sheriff. This is so freaking scary. I think mayroong nag-cheat pa. Apa, hindi ko po alam ang aking gagawin. Nangihinig po ang aking kamay. Tago na lang po tayo. I'm ready. I think someone is out there using knife. Oh my god. Come in. Malaki sa buhay niya. Sorry guys, at pupunta na tayo sa pangalawang laro, which is, I don't know. Let's go to the part 2. Yan, part 2. Joke lang po yon. At dito ko na po tatapusin ang video na to. Salamat po sa panonood. Thank you very much. Love you. Mwah, mwah.